Once upon a time, all roads led to Rome. These days, all roads lead to London. In terms of rock and roll, this is an inarguable fact. Big bucks may well be made in Hollywood, but rock and roll reputations are made here, in the Big Smoke. The cast list of the Rock and Roll London Walk reads as a who's who of the music. The Beatles, the Stones, the Pistols, the Who, Bowie, the Clash, the Jam, Hendrix, Blur. Each has a London tale to tell, often a tale so decadent that Caligula would have blushed.
London calling. Lend an ear.